Alright, ito lang yung pangit, plastic yung likod dahil mali yung napadala sa akin yung seller. Dalawang ganito. Hopefully hindi mangyari sa inyo. Na-refund naman ako pero sayang lang. So yun, that's the rear axle. Okay naman na siya, kakabit na lang. Tapos yung front axle, ayan, all metal, stock linkage. So steering cup, stock servo arm. And ito medyo matrabaho guys kasi yung steering cup hindi kasi ako bumili ng metal linkage. Hindi siya compatible or plug and play dito sa linkage. So buti na lang meron akong extra bushing na kasya, tapos screw na kasya din dito sa steering metal cup, kaya napag-ubra ko siya. Tapos dito same. Tapos ang ginawa ko na lang diskarte, what I did, I took out this extra ball head from the stock front axle like this one. So pinutol ko lang, and then I moved it here, and this is secured, the ball head is secured by this screw from the bottom. And sa extra ko lang din yung screws na ginamit ko. Okay, dami kong extra, so maganda po naman. Ito yung nag-work na screw galing sa ibang linkage ito. So from this kit, search nyo lang. Ano ata to? 1 WPL toys din ata to, di ko sure pero search nyo lang linkage, marami naman, generic lang naman yan. Pero ito yung screw na nag-work, na gumana. Pero if I'm you guys, you just order the metal steering or metal linkage or steering rod to save you some time and headache. So this is the screw that worked, 2.2 diameter. And then length is 13 millimeters. Okay, basically that's the screw I used for the steering arm. Alright, kasi I used the stock steering rod and steering arm, that's why. But this is now ready to install. So this is the front metal axle, all metals kasi tama naman. Seller was able to send me the right one for this part at least. So there, I'm gonna go ahead and install this in the Jimny.
Boot option, which with this is.
This is a very simple install. You won't even be needing any kind of instruction manual. Just plug and play. Just plug and play. Oops. There you go. Just as simple as that. Is now complete. Alright guys, time for the rear. So this is the problem we have. So for the meantime, while waiting for the replacement or refund, I'll be using the plastic one first, the stock one. I didn't notice it immediately until now that I'm already trying to install it. So there. Putting the bearings. Alright. Just close it up. Okay. Alright, so we will be using this momentarily. I already transferred the bearings. We need shims. Right there. This one here. These things first. Let's put one on here like that. Okay. Then grab screw. Then let's close it. Alright, grease first. Then we can proceed with this. Check. We need to actually close it, lock it in place. See? Yung plastic medyo iba yung fitment eh. I mean same fitment pero hindi siya perfect alignment dito sa metal parts. pero compatible naman, so it should work. Medyo ano lang tayo, yan. Medyo hirap lang, pero mukhang okay naman na. Ayun, so it should actually work. Very smooth. So key is not to tighten it, or not to over tighten it, sorry. I have to make sure that there you go. Let me just check. All right, really good sound. All right, so we're done with the assembly. Oh man. Gawin natin. Gayahin natin to. So, ito yun. And then, this one. Okay. And then let us block this. Let me just get the tool. Okay. And then a grab screw to lock it. Right now, I just want to make sure that everything would fit perfectly. Step number 1. Alright, next step. Ito naman. And it fits. Alright, check natin. Let's try to close it. And guys, we are in luck. I have a good set of bearings, spare bearings that actually fit. So there's no use for this, I guess. Put in shims on this area. It's not going anywhere. All right. So there. Anywhere. It's gonna stay there. And then drive test fit again, just to make sure. Just a little bit of movement, which can be fixed. Should be good. And basically that would be the front end. Okay, it's time for us to put some grease. All right, and then cover. we're done. This is the front axle. Hold on. Okay, and we're finally done. Natapos din, guys. So ayun, ito yung again, this is the front axle. So I used the stock steering rod, stock steering linkage, and then I already shared earlier the screws I used, the bushings I used, and it was this was a fun build even with the mishaps. The seller actually failed to send me the correct differential cover. Basically, he sent me two of these. Wala yung ganito. So I had to use the stock plastic one. So this is basically still plastic. They gave me a refund. So there, but for the meantime, I'm just gonna use this. I can order a new set later on with the refund they gave me. So basically, they gave me 50% refund because of that missing part. At least I'm able to use this. So yun, next step natin, we'll just basically install this sa ating WPL C74 Jimny 1/10 scale, a Ja11. So excited now. Alright, thank you so much for tuning in. More videos to come. Subscribe, guys, share, and like. Salamat.